Hi, I'm Guido. I've been teaching cooking classes here in Italy for 15 years, and what I would like to show you is how to cut an onion. Okay, so first of all, just cut the onion in half, like this, and that way the onion will be stable on the board. It's very important to keep safe with a knife, so always just slightly curl your fingers so your fingertips are pointing inwards onto the board and your thumb is safely tucked in. You rest the blade on your knuckles and you do your chopping. So for the onion, you just do your chopping like that, and instead of going all the way down, you kind of stop 3/4 of the way through as you cut through the onion, and then you turn the onion 90 degrees. You do the same here. That's if you need your onion to be diced. Now you go all the way down and you do a little bit more chopping, this time using the knife, the curve of the knife here, stabilizing the blade with your other hand, just a little bit more chopping, and as you can see, you have now the perfect diced onion.